Got a 2013 Camaro. Still has factory converters on it. Come back and it has a stainless Borla system. This system is the S type. Notice it says Borla on both sides. This is the S type. And we're going to be switching.
2013 Chevy Camaro SS V8. Still got the converters on it. Then an X pipe. Then where we eliminated the resonator, we threw it away already. But it's usually a giant resonator on these. It goes from all the way here, all the way back. And then we also did a muffler delete right there and right there. Much better. Chevy Camaros never disappoint. Let you guys hear on the inside. Give a guess. Better? All right, man. Have a good one. Enjoy it, bro. You like it? All right, guys, this is a 2010 Chevy Camaro SS. What we did on it for the customer is it's got high flow BBK headers and high flow catalytic converters. And he just got these Corsa mufflers that were used that he had on it and cut them off, and he put them back on. And we just put some 4-inch black tips on it for him on this side and this side. There's the black tips right there. 2010 Chevy Camaro SS. Really good. Oh wow, that's the Corsa system. Corsa mufflers. Wow. I like it. Yeah, those tips would have looked a lot better on it. It's got BBK long tube headers and high flow cats. Well, 2.5-inch system all the way back.
And now we have the Borla ATAK installed. Now it says Borla ATAK on both sides. And here's what this one sounds like.
Okay? Whatever you like.